Figured I hadn't made a video in a while. I got to sharpen this up. Figured I'd show you how I do it. This is just what the book says. Take out your pocket hone and sharpen it up. And you want to keep it nice and flat with the edge of the blade. All you really want to do is straighten the tip out again, because they're still sharp, they just don't look like it. And just ride that right up in there real nice. You got to get in the deep spot, because it cuts there too. That'll work. It'll bind up there if that's not sharp enough to cut it. So you got to get in there and do it all. And I actually always just flat plane the back. That way it's good and level. It's not cutting into our guards or anything. And if you do this every time, they actually maintain pretty well. If you go back in my videos, I did teeth repair, new rivets, some new teeth. I did some paint work. It all needed major help. It had original IH blades on it, and I got a box and another box of IH blades with it, and so that's what I ended up using. And some of them were serrated and some of them were flat bladed, and you know what, it doesn't seem to make a lick of difference. They both cut just as well. I guess I haven't had a full set of either, so I'm not the best to ask, I guess, but I just work on the ones that look like they need a little bit. You don't necessarily even have to do them all, although it is, you know, good to look over them all at least. I know some fellas have hard times with these things, but I've only broken my pitman arm, which is wood that's supposed to break, and I've always greased it, and I put some new teeth on it, like I said, did a little tune-up work on the bar. I threw this board up here, you can't see, but that's for the trail that it leaves once it's cut. It folds it in, so the next time the runner runs right in there. So, and some of these serrated, I take the file and I go right along the edges. You can see them sharpen up. This one tooth needs a little bit more. Alright, doing a little work. Got the bale knife off the baler. As you can see, it's got some dings and it's dull as a butter knife. And I've never actually had this off, so I figured I'd take it off, give it a good sharpen, because I noticed this last time, and I haven't had any problems actually, but this last time some of the hay flakes weren't getting chopped, so I think if I just give this a nice file down, make it nice and sharp, even though it's pretty worn down and stuff, it'll at least cut the hay again instead of folding it, because that's all it was doing, is folding around this blunt edge. So I think found another solution of fixing another issue with the baler. So thanks for checking this out. Alright, got the massey out, got the baler out. As you just seen, I had the knife off. That knife goes right in there. Can probably get a better angle here. So there's the other side of the knife, and it goes on that side. So that'll be good, and actually the baler is running good. I wanted to show you guys this hay. Looking good, starting to get a little tan from sitting. It's been a month or so, but didn't cut my field. Had a little bit of an issue with the sickle bar, and I also didn't feel confident in the weather this weekend, so I wasn't going to risk having another field down. But you can't see, but up there on the top I broke a tooth, so I'm going to have to repair that. But other than that, I still ended up cutting the whole field. I'll give you guys some video of that next. Got her cut. I was gonna rake it tonight. I cut it last night, but I think I'm gonna rake it tomorrow and bale it right after. It's looking pretty good. Alright, got the old Massey hooked up. Got all the tines on, prepped for the hay raking in the morning. This is a new idea hay rake. I don't recall what number. 402. And I got a Massey Harris 22. And yeah, it wasn't. The hay wasn't quite ready to rake tonight. I cut it yesterday and thought it'd be about ready, but still feeling a little green, so I'm gonna rake it probably tomorrow afternoon. And yeah, we'll have some hay baling coming up, and I got some other stuff in the works, so stay tuned. Alright, well, shot a little footage of getting the baler ready, everything greased, and went out and made it that full. That's old, that's new. I thought that my knotter brake or disc was failed, so I corrected all of that. Got the knotters back ready, and actually it turns out that this is the issue. I'm going to try to do this without shaking it too bad, but try to set up the camera a little bit here. There's a bearing in there that is completely shot. And so it's not even catching the cog. So probably not going to be able to get the hay that I have down baled. I raked it this morning, got everything ready, and this happened. So I'm gonna see if I can't find a bearing, but think that's what's going on. I did get the new knife in here, and that seems to be, well, not a new, but just sharpened. That seems to be doing the job better, but like I said, I only got 6 or 8 flakes through it, so I'm going to be fighting this bearing. Well, not going to be able to bale these fields. I can't get this keyway out. So I think I might have to take it down to the shop down the road and have the fella get it out for me. And which is too bad because I would like to do it, but it's the thing is shot. So that's where we're at. I guess second cutting is standstill. Good thing I didn't cut mine. So maybe we can get this fixed and still get a good cutting off of mine. It's not too big, it's just a bearing, so thanks for watching.